Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the Mistouch prevention feature on your Android devices. So if you are often place your phone maybe in your pocket or your bag and you want to prevent any mistouch on the phones while you put it there, you can enable this feature. So first you can go to your phone settings apps, and then you can just scroll down and find the accessibility options. This one, shortcuts and accessibility, click on that, and in here you can scroll down again until you find this feature, Mistouch prevention. So tap on that options, and in here you just need to enable this. So you can just click on this little circles right here. So by enabling this, you can prevent accidental touches from turning on the screen when your phone is in your pocket or bag. So there will be no maybe misunderstanding or any accidental touch on your phone. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.